When you catch a negative loop, consciously pause and deliberately choose the positive outcome, the desired process that you want to rehearse instead. Take control of the mental simulator.
Catch and shift. I like that.
Start living as if you are already in rehearsal for the best possible version of yourself and your life. Embody the energy of your vision as much as you can in your day-to-day.
Live as if. That's powerful. Acting from the vision, not just towards it.
It's about understanding and then harnessing the incredible innate power of our own minds to consciously co-create our experience of life.
Such a powerful perspective. Now we want to actually guide you, our listener, through a short visualization, a chance to step into your very own virtual reality workshop.
That's right. So this is your chance to feel it directly. If you can, find a place where you can sit or lie down comfortably for just a few minutes without being disturbed. And if it feels okay for you, go ahead and gently close your eyes. Just let your attention turn inward.
Let's start with a nice, slow, deep breath in. And just gently let it go.
And again, breathing in fully.
And exhaling slowly. Releasing any tension you might be holding.
Now, using your imagination, just picture yourself stepping into a space built just for you.
What does it look like? Maybe it's a beautiful sun-drenched studio just filled with light and creative energy.
Or perhaps it's more like a sleek, high-tech command center where you feel totally capable and in control.
Could even be a really cozy, quiet nook in nature, maybe in the mountains, warm and safe.
Whatever comes to mind, just notice how it feels. Does it feel right? Does it feel like yours? Take a moment to settle into that feeling.
Now imagine somewhere in this space, maybe on a table or a surface, you see those little bits and pieces collecting from your day.
Little glimmers of things you liked, maybe that friendly smile you saw or the image of that car. Or just that abstract feeling of freedom you want more of.
Gently, in your mind, gather these pieces like you're collecting little sparks of inspiration.
And as you hold them, start to weave them into a scene. See yourself in this scene, just radiating health and vitality. Moving through your world with a wonderful sense of ease.
Picture yourself walking tall, feeling confident. Imagine being greeted warmly wherever you go, people genuinely happy to see you.
Notice what you're wearing. Clothes that fit perfectly, feel wonderful, and express who you are. Feel how light and energized your body is. Healthy, strong.
Now imagine your phone gives a gentle buzz. You glance at it, and there it is, that exciting opportunity you visualized earlier. It's here.
Feel that wave of genuine joy and knowing. See yourself respond with confidence. Yes, this is wonderful.
Look around again in your scene. See the people you care about. They're thriving too. Happy, healthy, laughing. Hear the sound of joyful chatter.
Feel that sense of abundance flowing naturally. You decide to book that trip, that dream vacation. And you do it easily, freely, without any worry about the cost. Just a feeling of trust and flow.
Just pause here for a moment. Let yourself soak in this feeling of deep satisfaction. Gratitude, maybe.
Really understand in this moment that this reality, this experience is unfolding because you chose it. You designed it right here in your workshop.
Take one more deep, fulfilling breath in. Hold on to this feeling, this vision.
Let that sense of joy and possibility just fill you up.
Maybe let a little smile come to your face if that feels good.
And then whenever you feel ready, you can gently open your eyes, bringing that wonderful feeling, that powerful vision back with you into your day.